what is kumbaga manifesting today sa lahat ng mga believers. And yun nga gusto ko ring i-point out sa Ephesians chapter 2 verse 2. Tingnan po natin na bakit ko nasabi na kasalanan talaga yung disobedience, kasi sa Ephesians 2 chapter 2 verse 2 sabi dito, wherein in the past ye walk according to the course of this world, according to the prince of the power of the air, the spirit that now work in the children of disobedience. Tinutukoy dito is yung kaaway, si Satan, which is the prince of the air. Na kung saan sabi dito, yung spirit niya is nagwo-work sa mga anak ng sa Tagalog ng mga pagsuway. So it means if you have this mind of disobedience, it means you have the spirit of the enemy, the devil. You are being influenced. Kaya ka nakakapag-isip ng ganyan na wag sumunod. And I think, yeah, it's 100% sin.